Hi guys, let me show you a video with PieMaster on how you can create menus using different add-ons. I will use my own because I only have those ones. So I will select this preset. I will create a new Pie menu, and as you can see I will be in edit mode. So the simple way will be to do that. Let's go in the interface of the add-on you want to use, and you can make a right click on the button like that and click on PieMaster add as new button. You can add the label, so let's make it remesh like that, and let's click on OK. So if you exit the edit mode, you will be able to test your button. As you can see, the add-on will try to add the description of the button, so this is nice. And if I click, bam, I will have my remesh. Okay, so this is simple. Let's see, I want to call this menu here, because this is really useful. What you can do is to show the info editor here. As you can see, this is this one, and call the action you want. Just click here, bam, and sometime you will have the code directly here. So let's paste it like that, because if I do that, as you can see, I cannot make a right click on this. So let's go in edit mode, let's create a new button, and let's edit this new button. Okay, I will name it VOL for visible object list. I will add an icon, let's use this one, and for the operator, I will use this. Okay, because this is an operator. I will click on OK, I will exit the edit mode, and if I click, I will have my visible object list. Okay, so that will be the same. Let's see, on Speedlfow, I want to add this rounded curve. So let's delete this one. Let's go back in edit mode. I can right click here if I want, but let me show you something else. If you go in the preferences of Blender, interface, activate developer extra and Python tooltips, okay, up, you can make something like this. Let's use right click and choose copy Python command. Okay, so let's name it rounded cube. Okay, let's add an icon. I will use this one, and let's add the operator. Since we copied the operator, bam, I will have this. I will click on OK, and let's exit the edit mode. If I click, I will have my rounded cube. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. This one is the same. Perfect. Because this one will make something like that. So now let's see, I have this one, I want to call the modifier pop-up here, but if I call the shortcut, I will not have the shortcut here. So what I can do is to go in the add-on itself, and the preferences of the add-on, and in the keymaps. If the add-on dev added a shortcut, you should have add this, you should have the keymap here. So I will just press this, press Ctrl C to copy it, like that. And now go back in edit mode, press plus. I will double click, let's name it modifiers pop-up. Okay, let's add this, let's enter modifier. Let's select this icon, and for the operator, paste it like that. As you can see, this is just that. I will click on OK, and you will see that that will work. Okay, so as you can see, you have several ways to add, for example, this is new, this is nice, buttons from any add-ons. So you can right click, you can add as new button, you can copy the Python command, you can also check when you activate something directly here and copy the code. Okay, if you don't find the code, you can search in the keymaps of the add-on, or you can also directly search inside Blender. For example, you have the search part here, and you can enter whatever you want. So let's enter menu to search for a menu. Speedlfow pop-up menu. Okay, so let's try to use this one. As you can see here, I have, bam, this. So I will make a shortcut, a screenshot of this, because I cannot copy it, sadly, like that. And in EasyRef, I can add this from the reference. So now I will have this, and I will be able to see it, because why not? Let's create a new button. Let's enter bpy.ops.view3d.speedrotopo underscore pop-up up menu, and let's do that. I will do that, and I will be able to test it, and bam, I will have this. And in fact, this is nice, because this pop-up menu was this one. This is the same. I need to select something, as you can see, but I don't have the shortcut, the Python command here. But now I have this one, so I can edit this one. So let's name it Speedrotopo, and let's name it pop-up. Like that. And in fact, I can also duplicate it, call it, go to my add-on, search for Speedrotopo. Let's use icon, and let's enter Speedrotopo to have the icon like that. So now, if I click, bam, my bad, I need to select something, it will work. I will be able to start a rotopology, to edit, etc., etc. Okay, so as you can see, you have a lot of ways to add whatever you want from any add-on you want. I can come here, I can right click, add as new button, add image reference, like that, and I will click OK. Boom, now I will be able to load my reference from EasyRef, from Speedsculpt, from Better PieMenu, from Speedflow, from Better PieMenu, and from Speedrotopo. Okay. After that, for this PieMenu, what I have to do is to add a keymap, add some options if I want, change the design. For example, if I want to use this one, bam, I will have now this design, etc., etc. Okay. So this is how you can create your menu. This is the same with layout menu, for example, like this. Let's exit edit mode, like that, or for basic menu, so I have some simple menu like this one. The workflow is exactly the same, and like that you can create your own menus using different add-ons.